The weight of the bulldozer blade alone is a jaw-dropping 34,000 pounds, capable of pushing a massive 230,000 pounds of material. This mechanical marvel can flatten a small hill in just a few hours, showcasing its unparalleled strength. Powering this mechanical giant is the Caterpillar Original C32 engine, boasting a mind-blowing maximum output of 900 horsepower. Its fuel tank is equally impressive, with a capacity of a whopping 1,900 liters. It consumes 100 liters of diesel per hour, making it a fuel-thirsty yet awe-inspiring force on the construction site. Just imagine the spectacle of driving this machine. It's an experience like no other. Now, the big question. How much do you think this mechanical giant is worth? Share your thoughts in the comments below.